Hello everyone, in this video I am going to explain you what is word automation in UiPath, which means I am going to read a text from a single file and I am going to write the text to another single file, or you can also read the text from multiple files and you can read to a single file. But for now I am going to show you how to read text from single file and write the text to a single another file. Okay, so if you want to perform any operation in the Word document, you need to install Word Activities package. So click on Manage Packages and search for Word in this field and install this Word Activities and select the latest version and click on Install and then save. And in the Activities panel, if you search for Word, and now you can get all the Word related activities in your activities panel. And I would also like to discuss about what are the difference between this Word category and what is this Word document category. So all these activities like add hyperlink to document or add picture, all these activities can only work inside this Word application scope. So for example, let me drag and drop this. So inside this only you can operate all these activities, like you can simply give the path of the file only once, and you can, for example, let me give the path of the file and I will give this path. Okay, so here you can read the text from this file, or you can append any text to this file, or you can add any picture to this file, or you can do all these operations or these activities inside this only single file. So if you want to, for example, let me delete all those things and see, if I just drag and drop only add and picture in this designer panels, look at this error, activity is valid only inside Word application scope. Okay, so similarly if I drag append text, so now also you got an error, activity is valid only inside Word application scope. So all the activities from this Word category will work only inside this Word application scope. Inside that only you can put this read text activity or all this. But for this Word document category, you can simply drag and drop it here. You will not get any error like you should use this activity like inside Excel application scope, because we are going to perform an operations in different files. Like you can read text from one file and you can append that text in one different file. But in this category you can do all these operations only a single file. So when to use this Word activities from Word is, if you want to perform any operation in only single file, you can go for this activities inside Word. And if you want to perform multiple operations in multiple files, you can go for this Word document category. Okay, so let's go to our task, and now I am going to read a text. So let me drag this one. I will read text from one file and I am going to append the text from different file. So I am performing the operations between two or more different files. You can use these activities from Word document. If you are performing multiple activities in a single file, you can go for this Word application scope, where you can give the path only once and you can perform different operations in it. Okay, so let me give the path of the source file. So you can see here I have I have created two Word document files, and I have named it as source file and destination file. For example, let me open this first. So these are the two files, and in this source file I have some data like about UiPath in this source file, and inside this destination file I have some data about UiPath RPA. I'm going to append the data from the source file to this destination file. Okay, so I'm going to do operations between only these two files. Let me copy the path of the file, source file, and I'm going to read the data from the source file. Click on it, keep pressing on shift and right click. You can see the option as copy as path. Okay, click on it and go to your UiPath Studio and paste it here. So it will read the text from this source file. So what happens if the file name you have given here is not exist in that location, means it will create a new document with this given name and it will append the text to that file. Okay, and here I am going to create a variable using shortcut Control K and I am going to name it as file text. And so now this file text variable contains all the text from this source file and it will store in this file text variable. So I am going to use append text activity to append data to the destination file. So let me give the path. So this is the second way of giving the path. So this is the destination file. Here I am going to copy data from this source file and I am going to paste it in destination file. Means I am going to read the data from source file and I am going to write that data in this destination file. Let me give its path and here I am going to give the variable name. So this variable name contains all the data from the source file and it is going to copy in this destination file. So don't confuse, this is a source file and this is a destination file. Okay, so that's it. Here we have created only one variable to store the data and it is a string type. So let's run this bot. So our task is done and go to the file. So this is the destination file where all the data contains. Let me open it and here you can see the data from this source file have copied to this destination file. So this is how working on word automation in UiPath. Keep practicing and thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and like to my video.